This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hey everyone, I'm just on the third floor, coming out of the elevator in an apartment building called the Beekman Place, which is located at 1720 Lombard Street. When you get out of the elevator, here is a hallway. You have the stairs on your left, and the unit I'm about to show you will be here to the right. It is a studio apartment. Before we get into the unit, I just want to show you what the hallway looks like. It has a carpet floor, a lot of natural light, a lot of windows here. There is also a stair on here on the left hand side. Okay, now I will get in. The unit number is 303. It's a gorgeous studio. As you walk in, you see this beautiful hardwood floor with tons of natural light, huge windows, 3 huge windows. In this studio, you have this living area, And you have your kitchen there. The living area also has this closet space. It's a double door closet. Big. And on this side you have a shelf. Alright. The unit has very high ceiling. And here you have very nice, beautiful kitchen. You have everything you need. You have a built-in microwave here. You have cooktop and oven. It's a gas. You have a dishwasher. You have a sink, refrigerator, garbage disposal. You have that. And you also have a storage cabinet. You have this nice view. You're looking out to the courtyard of the building. Next room I would like to show you is the bathroom. Before the bathroom we have another closet space, nice size closet space. Then here you have this beautiful bathroom. It's a tile floor, and you have a deep bathtub. It's a bath shower combo. It's a wall around the bath. It's a tile also. You have a nice sink. And also you have a medicine cabinet with a mirror. It's a very good looking unit. It is. Yes, gorgeous.